Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ahooga Horn Kit is probably one of the most fun and effective ways to add a touch of classic personality to your vehicle, and in this video, we will explore what makes a great Ahooga kit, covering everything from sound quality and build durability to ease of installation and long-term maintenance, helping you choose the perfect one to make your ride stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Vixen Horns VXH1002B. It's the sound of a bygone era. This horn will transform your vehicle into a vintage classic with its distinctive OOGA sound, perfect for adding a touch of nostalgia to your ride. No need for extra air tanks or parts. It uses an integrated, maintenance-free air compressor, making installation a breeze and ensuring reliable performance. Built with high-quality, durable ABS material, it's designed to withstand the test of time. The robust construction ensures long-lasting performance and a premium feel. Installation is simple with its one-bolt mounting design. All the necessary hardware, wire leads, and clear instructions are included for a quick and easy setup. Get powerful, reliable performance without breaking the bank. It offers exceptional value and comes with a full 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It has a powerful, classic car sound and a built-in air compressor, so no extra tank is needed. Installation is a breeze with its simple one-bolt design. If you own a classic car and want to enhance its vintage appeal with an authentic sound, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Added this horn to a 2008 Tacoma. I tried Harbor Freight and Wolo Ahooga horns previous. Both were poor in my opinion. My expectations weren't high when I decided to try the Vixen. But it surprised me how much better the Vixen sounded. The others didn't give the "ga" drop at the end. This one does. It's not quite a true Model T sound, but clearly much closer and much better than the others I've tried. What is there that I can say about your product? I can say well made and loud. The ease of install was great. The chrome was flawless. Probably didn't take but 20 minutes to install. Loud, definitely attention-getting, and capable of startling the crap out of your average cell phone-focused pedestrian stepping off the curb with no awareness of themselves or their surroundings. These horns in my experience are also generally more effective in deterring deer from your path in the roadway than most. I have had these in a number of my vehicles. Number 4. Wolo 330 Fun Horn. Get ready for a blast from the past. This horn brings back the classic car sound you love. It features a distinctive OOGA sound that's sure to turn heads. You'll love the unique and fun sound it makes. It's designed for 12-volt vehicles, making it easy to install and use. It's perfect for cars, trucks, and more. This horn is built to last. The heavy-duty motor ensures reliable performance for years to come. Installing it is a breeze. It can be easily installed in almost any vehicle. Get that classic car sound in minutes. If you're looking for that nostalgic car sound, look no further. It's the perfect way to add some personality to your ride. What we like. This horn produces that iconic OOGA sound. It's designed for 12-volt vehicles and installs easily. If you're looking for a simple, yet effective way to add a nostalgic touch to your vehicle, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great, it's also pretty loud. Fits the truck perfectly. Exactly what I wanted. You'll have to do some wiring, cut and splice, comes with wires, and mounting bolt. It's plenty loud and snaps heads. I've installed mine on my '92 Jeep Wrangler and I'm truly happy. This horn is amazing. So simple to install. I actually put a second button in my car so I can mess with people. Number 3. OOGA Ahooga Car Horn. Get ready to turn heads with this classic car horn. Its vintage design and powerful 110 dB sound will make your ride stand out. It boasts a timeless aesthetic, perfectly complementing classic and antique vehicles. This horn will add a touch of nostalgia to your driving experience. Experience a powerful and unmistakable sound. It's loud enough to be heard, ensuring your safety on the road. Specifically designed as a great fit for Ford models, it seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's existing system. Enjoy a classic sound upgrade. Installation is straightforward and simple. You'll be enjoying its iconic sound in no time. Hear that classic, unmistakable sound. It's the perfect way to add personality to your ride. What we like. It delivers a loud, vintage sound at 110 dB and has a classic design. If you are looking for a horn that will make a statement and bring back old memories, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Sounds as expected. This horn works well and is easy to install. It does have a metal diaphragm and is far better than the Harbor Freight horn. This thing sounds so ridiculous, I love it. Definitely recommend for car or truck or anything. Easy to install, you just connect positive and negative, not a ton of mounting hardware, but I ended up zip tying it and it works good. Definitely recommend. Number 2. OOGA Horn Chrome Antique. Get ready to make a statement with this classic car horn. Its unique sound and stylish chrome finish will turn heads wherever you go. This antique-style horn boasts superior craftsmanship and reliable performance. It's built to last and add a touch of vintage charm to your ride. The included wire kit and button make installation a breeze. You'll be enjoying its distinctive sound in no time. It's the ideal addition for hot rods, classic cars, and custom builds. Upgrade your vehicle's personality with this eye-catching horn. Experience the iconic OOGA sound that's instantly recognizable and sure to get attention. It's a blast from the past, reimagined for today's drivers. The gleaming chrome finish adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. It's a beautiful and functional upgrade for any vehicle. What we like. This horn boasts a stylish chrome finish and comes with everything you need for installation. If you appreciate classic car aesthetics and want a high-quality, easy-to-install horn, this is for you. What people say. It really looks and works great. The sound is both nostalgic and loud enough to get someone's attention. I've already gotten compliments on the looks and people really enjoy hearing it. Every time I've used it, people look and smile. The horn is pretty loud but not overbearing and has been turning heads since I mounted it the other day. Number 1. PTNHZ Car Air Horn. Get ready to experience a blast from the past with our vintage-style car air horn. It's perfect for adding a touch of classic charm to your vehicle. It easily fits most 12V vehicles, including cars, trucks, and RVs. Enjoy its powerful sound wherever you go. This horn boasts a heavy-duty motor for a loud and clear 110 dB output. You'll be heard, no matter what. Its classic design will turn heads and bring back nostalgic memories. It's a beautiful addition to any vehicle. It's made with high-quality aluminum and plastic for durability and a long lifespan. Enjoy its superior construction. We stand behind our product. Contact us with any questions, we're here to help. What we like. It's powerful, with a 110 dB output, and has a classic design. It also works on cars, trucks, and RVs. If you need a versatile, loud horn with a vintage look, this is the best choice. What people say. Bought this to put in a project Jeep and it delivers. It's not quite the sound of an old klaxon horn, but it's close enough. Nice size, for a plastic horn. Perfect for what I wanted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.